Graeme, talk me through the EDM side then that you're going to be partnering with Winbro Technologies. We've got the machines behind us, but what are they doing?
Yeah, the speciality to expand our EDM range that we've already got through Mitsubishi, now with the Winbro product, allows us the ability to do high-speed drilling through very, very hard and tough materials. And that's what single point EDM, which is producing one hole, but we also have multi-hole function. So with the head, we can actually have multiple wires going through there, so we can do lots and lots of blending of multiple holes.
And is this technology that we see behind us here, you know, badged up Winbro machines? It is their machinery. They're assembling it. They're making it. It's all made here in the UK. Is that right?
Absolutely. I think that's a great thing to celebrate at the moment, is that the machine is purely manufactured here in the UK through the Covewell site. So all of the heads, the technology is all designed here, the software is developed through Winbro as well. So the whole process from start to finish is all developed and started here in the UK, which is great for us.
And when you talk about multiple holes, what would be an application then that might benefit from having, you know, more production value in making more holes?
Well,
than
currently,
one?
I mean, Winbro is really renowned for the cooling holes in turbine blades technology, which is where that's really sort of stemmed from. But as we're starting to look into the electronics sector now, and into sort of battery modules and everything, where there's a lot of multiple holes that need to be produced very, very quickly, we see that sort of blending and lending itself very, very well to that sector.
And we've got a whole array of these machines here.
Yeah.
A lot of production going through this company as well on their own machines, isn't there?
Yeah. I mean, absolutely. I mean, obviously, as part of this particular process, when you're trying to develop a cell with a new customer, the great thing is when you actually bring people in here, they can actually see where this is actually being used, what can be done, how the machines can be set up and used, and how functional they are, is a great ability to ETG to offer that.
Yeah, and I can imagine that Winbro are actually able to develop machines in accordance with the best way of making a part, which is the utopia, isn't it, for a machine tool builder and then a seller like yourselves?
Well, absolutely. I think that's where the synergy of the two companies is absolutely great. We see Engineering Technology Group as a solution provider. That's exactly what we want to be able to offer our customer base. And now the tie-up with Winbro is also a solution provider. When they bring a problem and say, I have this particular issue and want to produce this particular component, how can I actually adopt technology to produce this part in the most efficient way? And that's exactly what these guys do.